Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change monitor Hertz Windows 11. We are going to right-click on the desktop to choose the option, Display Settings. Now in this window, open the option, Advanced Display. After this, at the top you can choose which screen to modify the hertz. Then in the field, choose a refresh rate, unfold the field, and select the desired rate. In the pop-up window, you can click on Keep Changes to leave this new rate, or click on Revert to not set it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.